Hey everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to download and save pictures on Pinterest. So make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow our steps correctly so you can make sure that this method works for you too. So guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store and download Pinterest if you haven't already. After doing that, you want to register an account or log into your existing account depending if you already have one. So after doing that, let's enter the Pinterest application. As you see, I'm greeted by the main Pinterest page where I can see all the photos and all the videos that are available to me. So let's find the picture that we like and that we want to download. Let's say this is the picture that we want to download. After finding this picture, the most natural thing would be to do is to hold the picture. As you can see, when you hold the picture, when you long tap the picture, there is an option to send this picture to someone. As you have probably learned on TikTok, this is the natural option to click on send, and you probably are guessing that you go and click on more and then you will be able to save this picture to your gallery. But sadly guys, it doesn't work like that on Pinterest, so this doesn't have a lot of use for us. So what we want to do is go back to the picture that we want to save and do the following. As you can see guys, in the top upper right corner there are the three dots that we want to click. Those three dots will open up the settings tab for us. Clicking on those three dots, you can see that this opens up a lot of options where we can send this to somebody, but not only can we send this image to someone, we can also download this image right here to our gallery. So as you see, the third button is the download image button. We want to click on the download image option. After clicking that, you will see the notification that the image has been downloaded. After doing that guys, you can go to your gallery and you can be certain that the picture that you have downloaded is there. You can try out this for yourself and let me know how it goes. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. Leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if this was helpful. So thank you for watching and take care.